Is your C drive is always full, even though you haven't installed many programs or stored a lot of files? Even after uninstalling software and deleting personal files, you're still running out of space? I had the same problem. My SSD is only 240 gigabytes, and it was completely full with almost no free space left. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to free up a lot of storage. The reason this happens is that when you uninstall a program, the program itself is removed, but many leftover files often stay behind and continue taking up valuable disk space. Today, I'll show you how to find and remove those files in just a few clicks. So grab your PC, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google. Search for AOME Partition Assistant. From the search results, open the first official website. Once you're on the website, click the download button at the top. Choose Partition Assistant from the drop-down. You'll be taken to the download page. Scroll down until you find a AOME Partition Assistant Standard. This is the free version, and it's all we need for this tutorial. Click the download button and wait for the download to finish. Once the download is complete, open the setup file from your Downloads folder. Select your preferred language and continue with the installation. If any optional offers appear, make sure to click Skip. Then click Install Now and wait for the installation to complete. After the installation is finished, close the installer and open AOME Partition Assistant from the desktop shortcut. When the program opens, you'll see an interface with many different tools and options. For this tutorial, click on Free up at the top. You'll see several options, but we're going to use PC Cleaner. Click on it and then select Delete Large Files. The program will display your drives. Select the drives you want to scan and click Scan. It will begin scanning your system for large files. Depending on the size of your storage, this may take a few minutes. After the scan is complete, it will show all the files found on the drives you selected. This includes leftover files from uninstalled programs, old installer files, temporary files, downloads, and many other large files that may be taking up space on your system. For each file, you'll be able to see its name, location, and size, so you can easily identify what's safe to remove. If you hover over a file, you'll also see its full path, which helps you understand exactly where it's stored and whether you still need it or not. Take your time and review the files carefully. Check the file name, location, and size before deleting anything. If a file is no longer useful to you, you can safely select it for removal. Just make sure you don't delete important Windows files or anything you're unsure about. As you can see, I have quite a few old files and duplicate files that are consuming a lot of storage space. I'll go through them one by one and select the ones I no longer need. For this tutorial, I'll only select a few files to show you the process. But I recommend that you carefully review the entire list and select everything you want to remove. Before you delete anything, if you're not completely sure whether some files are safe to remove, I highly recommend creating a system restore point first. That way, if something goes wrong or you accidentally delete something important, you can easily restore your system back to the way it was before making any changes. If you don't know how to create a restore point, I will give its video link in description or first comment. Once you've selected everything you want to remove, click Delete. The software will show how many files you selected and how much space they are consuming. Click Delete. The software will remove the selected files and free up valuable storage space. After that, open File Explorer and check your drive. You'll notice that a significant amount of space has been recovered. My SSD is pretty small, and I still managed to recover around 70 gigabytes of storage. So if you're using a larger SSD or hard drive, don't be surprised if you end up freeing more than 100 gigabytes of space. It all depends on how much old and unnecessary data has built up on your system over time. There's another useful tool included as well. Go back and click on Duplicate Files Finder. Select the drives you want to scan and start the scan process. After the scan finishes, the software will show all duplicate files found on your computer. You'll be able to see how many copies exist and where they're located. Review the results carefully. If you don't need multiple copies, keep one copy and select the duplicates for removal. Once you've selected the duplicate files, click Move to Recycle Bin. After that, open the recycle bin and permanently delete the files to reclaim the storage space. That's it. In just a few minutes, you can clean up leftover files, remove duplicates, and recover a surprising amount of storage space on your PC. If this video helped you free up space on your computer, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more useful PC tips and tutorials.